Your AC high pressure switch is a critical safety device that protects your system from damage. It monitors refrigerant pressure and shuts the system down if pressure gets too high. Why it's important: protects the compressor from overheating, prevents excessive pressure buildup. Warning signs of issues include AC shutting off unexpectedly and poor cooling performance. High pressure problems are often caused by dirty condenser coils, blocked airflow, or overcharged refrigerant. Regular maintenance helps keep coils clean and airflow clear. Serving Houston, Katy, Cypress, Richmond, Spring and surrounding areas. Contact us for all your AC needs.